Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a what's in my bag video. I figured I'd do it because I'm going to switch purses soon. Not yet. Okay. Not yet. So yeah. Getting on here okay. So same purse, some things have changed, but yeah. So this is the brand. If I can hold it up, it's kind of heavy. All right. Also, do you guys like my makeup videos? So usually they don't get as many views as like the purse videos do. So I want to make videos that you guys like and will watch, so let me know. All right. So there are actually two slip pockets in here. But I don't put anything in there. And then in the zipper pocket, I have a mechanical pencil, just by ink, side clicks. And then the pen I got from Purse Trip, and it's so cute. I love pink. And then my earbuds. Let me put this back so I can show you this last thing. I dropped it. And this also came in an order from Purse Trip, and it's so cute. Little cross. It's so cute. And here's the paper. I'm not gonna read it, but I'll let you guys read it if you want to. All right. So that's everything in the zipper pocket. Okay. So I got from Amazon a 4-pack of gloves. I'm gonna keep one pair in my purse just because for sun protection. Yeah, like whenever I'm in the car or something, because the sun is always on my side whenever I'm in the car, so it's always on my hands and on my face too, but I got sunscreen for that. Yeah, these gloves to hopefully protect my hands from the sun. And it looks like this, and there's a little pad thing so I can still use my phone when I wear them. But yeah, I just got these in a 4-pack on Amazon, so yeah. I don't know the actual purpose, because like there's grip on them, maybe so you can hold your phone or something, but yeah. Gloves. Switch some things around. So now this is my new makeup bag, and I no longer have tons of pens and all that in my purse. So this I got from Ross a while ago. All right, changed my makeup a little bit as well. The contents. I'm getting on again. So this is Marilyn Monroe palette by Wet n Wild. I got this from Amazon. My Elvira mirror that I got from Vampire Freaks. I got from Amazon like a pack of a bunch of single makeup removing wipes, so they look like this, and I just put like 6 of them in here. Okay, my little, oh, I thought it broke, ring sizer from Temu. My eyeshadow brush by Wet n Wild. This eyeliner brush by Sigma. I probably don't need to put it in my mega bag, to be honest. I've never used it, so I think I'll keep it out. This Fit Me blush by Maybelline. I have still yet to use this. I will though, eventually. This NARS lipstick. And this is a really nice color. Okay. What else? This is new. I got this from Amazon. It's already dirty. How's that possible? But this is the brand, and it's just gray. There's no name, but it just says 03 on the back. Let's see if I can take the rest out. Oh, I have Q-tip. Okay, let's just see if I can take the rest out. If it's easier that way. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. Okay. Come on. All right. So I have that NARS sample size mascara. What is this? Victory Red by Besame. It's a really pretty color. Okay. And then also by Besame, this is in Holly Pink, right? Yeah. Pretty. Okay. And then by Revlon, Rose Wine 225. Then this one by Marie Claire. It's so pretty. It's just pink. If I can get it closed. Okay, last but not least, this is new. Let me put these back before I forget. This is by Stila. If you guys saw my new community post, you guys know about this. This is Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black. Sorry, there's a fly buzzing around if you see that. But looks like that. That's a nice eyeliner. Like, I don't really like this kind of applicator. I like the really thin ones because I think it's easier to like control. You can be really precise with it. But I'm learning how to use it, and the name Intense Black is fitting because like I put it on yesterday, and whenever I would like look in the mirror, I was like, whoa, that's really black. So I like that. Okay. And I have my keys. Nothing about this has changed. My essentials. I mean, do you guys want to see it every time? I don't know if it's boring. I'll just go through it quickly. My tissues, pad, toothbrush and toothpaste, lens wipe, sewing kit, this little pill container from Amazon, hand sanitizer, mini hairbrush. It's this hair tie with hair on it. Sorry about that. Breath spray. A little face razor. Band-Aid. more lens wipe and alcohol prep pads, deodorant, and earplugs. I think that's everything in here. Yeah. So let me put this back. Okay. So, all right. Okay. Next thing is adorable. I love it. Yeah, my computer is gonna, okay. This cute little purse. Isn't that precious? My grandma sent this to me recently. It's so cute. There's a little kiss lock on the top. I'm using this as a, change purse, but isn't that cute? I love it so much. I have no idea what the stains are, but I think it's okay. But it's so cute. I love it so much. So that's my new change purse. All right, and then I have this book. It's called An Indigenous People's History of the United States by Roxanne Dunbar Ortiz or Ortiz. I had to read this for my college class, and since that class is over, I'm going to donate this to the library. That's why it's in my purse, so I don't forget to bring it the next time I leave the house, so I can donate it to the library. Okay, last but not least, I have my wallet. Just got this one. It's new. I got it from, well, new to me. I got it from Purse Trippin', and it's so cute. I love it. So that's everything in my wallet. I can't change out purses yet because I have to have a lot of room for all this stuff. But once I donate the book, I can size down so I won't have to carry around the book anymore. So that'll be nice because it makes my bag really heavy. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, let me know if you like seeing the makeup videos, because I'm gonna try to get more into makeup since I got that new eyeliner. I attempted an Elvira look last night. I didn't record it or anything. I'll insert a picture of me with it done. And I'm covering one of my eyes just because my left eye is the one I tried first, and it came out so bad. Like, doing my right eye is so much easier than my left eye. So it's just, I was embarrassed to show it, you know? So I covered it up. So I don't know, but yeah, that was my first try. So obviously it's not perfect, but I might try it again and practice it and see if I can get it to look better, because it might be a good Halloween look, maybe. All right, so anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.